Hi guys, back with another gate question here, again on probability. This is a fairly simple question. If you have solved mm, quite a number of questions in probability, you should be able to crack this. Okay, as always, pause the video, try this for yourself, and we'll see how to solve. Okay, so let's notice some important points in this question. Firstly, only one dice is rolled. One dice is rolled 3 times, right? And they're asking what is the probability of getting 6 exactly once, right? So only one dice is rolled, it's rolled for 3 times, and we want 6 in the 3 times that we are rolling, right? So let's say these first roll, second roll, and this is the third roll. Let's say we get a 6 in the first roll. We don't want a 6 in the second and the third roll. That could happen. Or let's say again you're rolling it for 3 times. We don't want a 6 in the first roll, but we want it in the second, not in the third. Or we want a 6 in the last roll, not in the first, not in the second. So any of these can happen, right? This is what I would like to call it a template. Once you know this template, you will know what numbers will come where, right? That's going to be a cakewalk then. So we want a 6 in the very first turn. The probability of getting a 6 is we have 6 as a sample space. There is only one way to get a 6. So probability of getting a 6 in the first roll is 1 by 6. And rolling the second time is compulsory. It's mandatory. So that's multiplication. We don't want a 6 as in any other 5 numbers can come. Out of 6 numbers, any other 5 numbers can come. And for the third time, again, there are 6 options altogether. We don't want a 6 means there are 5 options where we don't get a 6. Or means a plus. We don't want a 6 in the first roll, so there are 5 choices out of 6 options. And as multiplication, we want a 6 in the second roll, which is 1 by 6, and no 6 again, that's 5 by 6. Or is a plus. Again, we don't want a 6, so that's 5 options out of 6. And again, don't want a 6, that is 5 options out of 6. We want a 6 in the third roll, so that's 1 choice out of 6 choices, right? So these are the 3 different ways we can get 6 only once, exactly once. Now it's just a matter of calculation. So let's take this as 25 by 216. This is again 25 by 216 and 25 by 216, which is 75 by 216. That's your answer.